You picking up your mess, Brooke? Brooke, pick up your toys or I'm going to give them to Alyssa. Brooke? Brooke, pick up your toys. You don't want me to give them to Alyssa? How come you don't want to pick up your toys? If you're tired, go to bed. Finish picking up your blocks over there.
I just don't feel like it. Let me stand it.
Sure, be nice now. Pick up your toys.
Where does this thing go? Where does this thing go?
In the basket.
Yeah, take a picture of me.
I don't want to take a picture of you. I want you to pick up your toys.
Are you watching me on there?
I'm not.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. I see.
No.
Yeah.
It's time for bed, Brooke.
I see. I see. I see.
It's time for bed. Go on.
I see. I see.
It's time for bed.
Please.
Good night. You're not done picking up your toys.
I'm trying. I just can't. Well, boss is mad.
You're bossy.
No. I'm just grumpy like Grandpa all day.
You're grumpy like Grandpa. Is Grandpa grumpy?
He does.
He does?
Uh-huh.
What about Mima? Is she grumpy? Is she crabby? But Grandpa's grumpy? Alright, finish picking up your toys and then you're going to bed. Or Mama's going to be grumpy.
What are you doing on there?
You're picking up your toys, aren't you? Okay.
What are you doing on there?
Don't worry about what I'm doing. Worry about what you're doing.
What are you doing, Mel?
What are you doing?
I'm picking up the toy.
I'm a silly goof.
No, it's called a doll.